Prepare a set of screwdrivers and panel remover before installation. Remove the rear seat console bezel. Take out the bezel to see the main unit. Unscrew the screws on the main unit. Take out the main unit. Take out the Carplay Smart module. Take out the Carplay main line, LVDS cable, air conditioner panel adapter cable, USB cable, Wi-Fi antenna, and Bluetooth antenna. Take out the Carplay main line and unplug the main line behind the original car main unit. Connect the original car main line with the Carplay main line. And connect the other end of the Carplay main line to the main unit. Unplug the video cable behind the main unit, grey plug. Take out the LVDS cable of Carplay and connect one end to the original car main unit. Connect the other end of the LVDS cable of Carplay with the video cable of the original car. Then connect the LVDS cable to the Carplay box. Note, the DIP on the box needs to be set to the correct dip according to the dial table. Connect the white plug of the Carplay main line to the box. Connect Carplay's Bluetooth antenna and Wi-Fi antenna to the box. Connect Carplay's USB cable to the box. Remove the trim on the center console and need to screw out the screws behind the panel. Take out the buckle baffle of the armrest box. Unscrew the two screws under the bezel. Remove the trim panels on both sides of the center console. Remove all the screws from the trim panel. Remove the trim. Also screw out the screw of the trim on the other side. Use the tool to remove the bezel. Unscrew the screws on the back of the bezel. Remove the trim after screwing out the screws on the trim. Unscrew all the screws on the air conditioner panel. Remove the air conditioner panel. Unplug the back of the air conditioner panel and connect it with the Carplay air conditioner panel adapter cable. Connect the other end of the Carplay AC panel adapter cable to the original car's AC panel. Connect the 4-pin plug on the adapter cable to the Carplay main line. The Carplay installation is complete, and the wiring harness of the Carplay is arranged. Restore the original car main unit. The Carplay module can be placed here. Restore the original car layout. Enter into the media interface of the original car, and select the external audio input. Press and hold the back button to switch the CarPlay system. The phone enters the Bluetooth interface, searches for and connects to CarPlay Bluetooth. Click Pair and Allow. If the connection is successful, you can enjoy wireless CarPlay.
Kawan.